watching the Blitz and I am Monica Rato. Due to the low pressure area formed in the Bay of Bengal, relief rains are continuing in the most part of Madhya Pradesh. Talking about the last 24 hours, 4 inches of rain fell in Khargone and about 3 inches in Sagar, while Indore and Bhopal also received 1 inch of water. Meteorological P.K. Shah said that the low pressure area is likely to be fully active in the Bay of Bengal today. Due to this, rain will continue in the state of the next 4 days. Water has receded in the most area of the state during the last 24 hours. There was good rain in Sagar, Khargone and Vidisha. By evening, there is a possibility of heavy rain in Sagar, Raisen, Riva, Vidisha and Anuppur district. In the Indore and Bhopal, drizzle with sun and shade will continue. 3 inches in Sagar, 4 inch in Khargone, Bhagwanpur 3.5 inch in Khurai of Vidisha, 3.5 inch in Ishwar in Sihor, Jirapur in Rajgarh, Khategaon and Devas, Burhanpur city, Jharda in Ujjain, Churai in Chhindwara and 2 in Birsa in Bhalaghat. 2 inches of water fell. Apart from this, water fell by 1.5 and 1.5 inches in Mau and Khargone city of Indore. 1 and 1 inch of Indore city, Gaumi of Bhind, Timrani in Harda, Ganj in Raisen, Bhopal in Shivpur. Water fell in Maliganj, Jabalpur, Khandwa, Narsinghabad, Damo, Shajapur, Mandla, Guna, Umria, Hoshangabad and Gwalior division. Presently, the monsoon trough in the extreme to the east central Bay of Bengal, where Anupgarh, Hisar, Delhi, Hardoi, Siddhi, Korba, Barighat and Halin Gautam cyclonic activity is observed over northwest Rajasthan, Punjab, Kutch and Marathwada areas. At the same time, under the influence of the cyclonic activity in the north central Bay of Bengal, there is a possibility of a low pressure air become activity in the north central region of the Bay of Bengal today. Stay tuned with us on the Blitz for all such information and updates. Thank you.